Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, first aid kit, cargo tray, lumbar support, cargo cover, cargo net, carpeted floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.